Hello everybody, welcome back on our official channel. In previous videos I told you about the design and the quality of Borgioli shoes, and I have presented you many styles in our collection. And as you have understood, Borgioli shoes are of premium quality, and it's a real investment in style and quality and the comfort of your feet when you buy a leather shoe. High quality Borgioli shoe. It can be compared like buying a classic car that will serve you for many years. Of course, this high quality product needs to be maintained. So today I will explain you how to maintain your Borgioli shoes, how to clean them, and how to preserve them in the perfect state as if they are newly bought box new shoes. So here we have two types of shoes, a man's shoe and my boots. These are Borgioli boots with rubber sole that I bought last year. So it's like I am already wearing them for 1 year. As you see, they are a little bit dusty, have some stains. So now I will show you how I clean them at home. So you can understand that it's very easy using Borgioli polish kits. So to start the cleaning process, we need to unlace the shoes. So I take out the laces. While I'm unlacing the shoes, I would like to tell you that we highly recommend not to wear the shoes every day. So because the shoes are made of leather, the upper and the lining are made of real leather, so they absorb humidity and sweat of your feet. So the shoes need to stay some day, at least 1 day, to leave out the humidity, because the natural leather leaves out the humidity and becomes dry by itself. So don't wear your shoes, the same shoes every day. So just you need to alter them, one pair and another. That means that you need to buy at least 2 pairs of Borgioli shoes. Okay, we unlace the shoes. And then we start to remove the dust with the humid cloth. You can take just cotton cloth or something else that you have at home, and you just polish the shoes, removing the dust out of the shoe. You can also, if you buy a big polish kit of Borgioli, there is a small brush that is necessary to clean the dust out of the welt. You see, these boots have the sole, the leather welt, and manual stitchings, so the dust can get inside the stitchings. So you need to remove it. And this small brush is perfect to remove the dust out of the welt. Okay, so we have prepared the boot to be cleaned. In this case, I'm taking the black wax. This is natural wax, very nice smelling, black brush, and I start to put the first layer of black wax on the shoe. I usually put it with a brush, but you can also use a cotton cloth if you feel it more comfortable to put it. I don't like to stain my fingers, so I usually use a brush, but it's up to you how you would like. If you want to feel the shoes better, you can use a cloth. So we put the first layer of black wax, it's black color and natural wax, on the shoe, as you see. And we leave it for 5-7 minutes so that the wax can be absorbed by the leather of the shoe. This is natural leather, calf leather. It's similar to our skin. of course, we need to treat it with the creams. Here the same, so that this leather can be moistured, can be remain clean and fresh. So, as well as we take care about our skin, we need to take care about the leather of our shoes. So once the wax is absorbed, we can put another layer of wax if you want to obtain even shinier effect. For example, I would like to obtain some shiny effect on the toe of the shoe, so I put another layer of wax here. Okay. Then, to obtain a shiny effect, we take a sock or stocking, women's stocking, which we all have in house, and put something inside to make it rigid, some cloth or some soft paper, and we start to polish it. As you see, the heat of the nylon with natural wax produces this nice shiny color on the whole upper of the shoe. Here you are. Nice shiny effect on the boot. Then you put the laces on the boot and leave it apart. To make the cleaning process more comfortable, we can use cedar natural wood shoe tree, which we put in the shoe to make the upper straight and to help us to clean the shoe easily. As you see, with the cedar wood shoe tree, it's much more comfortable to clean the shoes. Okay, so once I have explained you how to clean your shoes, I can speak about the polish kits offered by Borgioli. So here we have a complete polish kit that has shoe horn, 2 small brushes to clean the belt of the shoe, natural color for light colored shoes, and black. Then we have 2 brushes, black for cleaning like black leather shoes, and light color brush for shoes of like beige or cognac color. And we have 3 natural wax colors, which is brown, black, and natural wax color, which you can use also to shine the toe of the shoe, or to use this color. This natural color can be used for hand dyed and hand patina shoes. And also we have a cloth here, which is a woolen cloth that helps you to clean, to shine the shoe. A small dust kit, so you can put the creams inside and use it for your travel needs, for example. Here you are. If you want to go traveling, you have your polish kit already ready. Then we have also a small polish kit, travel size. So it has a dust bag, 1 cream, and 1 brush, like this. You can find this polish kits on our website, www.fratelliborgioli.com, together with cedar wood shoe trees, small polish kit, complete polish kit, and a great selection of Borgioli shoes for men and women. Thank you for your attention, and keep us updated with new interesting videos from Fratelli Borgioli.